Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Janice. Today I'll be showing you how to create unlimited company business email address free completely, and you can access this business email address using Gmail. First of all, you need to actually if you don't have a domain, right, you need to go and buy a domain. Okay, you can buy a domain GoDaddy or like Namecheap.com. Example, Namecheap.com. Okay, then you can just register a domain. Okay, register a domain. Once you done that, you need a domainer. Okay, first of all, I say the business email address is free, but you still need a domain name in order to get the free email address. Okay, the domain is not free. The domain is this kind of address. It's the address for people to find you. You need like that, like google.com, namecheap.com, and all that. Okay, abc.com. So this one, you need to have a domain in order to create your free email company business address. So once you register ready, first you need to go and search for a suitable domain name. And you purchase it. Right now, Namecheap is selling at $6.79 a year. Okay. Example, this. Okay. I think they changed just on, yeah, this one, $6.79, yeah. Okay, new customers, new com 67, you have to put in the code. Right. Okay. Then, by the way, I also put the link of the websites I mentioned to be used in my description. Namecheap.com is one of them. Then after that, after your registration, you need to go to your Cloudflare. Okay, you need to sign up for Cloudflare. Cloudflare is a CDN. Content Delivery Network. Over here, okay, you can sign up for free. Start with free. For me, I already signed in actually. Okay, so I'm just showing you. You need to create account. First, you need to create account lah. Then you log in, and then you come up with a dashboard. It's loading a bit slow. Let me show you another tab. This one. So you come up with a dashboard like this. This is the dashboard. Okay, this is a dashboard. I have actually connected my domain. You can connect your domain and things like that. And or you can buy, by the way, Cloudflare also has sell domain. If you don't buy from Namecheap, you want direct connection, you can buy directly from Cloudflare. Okay, like this is the one I show you guys. My Cloudflare. You can just buy a domain here. Once you create an account, there's many name domain register. So any place you want to buy your domain. Cloudflare claims that they sell at cost, so you can think about it, and then you can connect directly. Okay, connect directly to Cloudflare. So once you actually connected directly with Cloudflare, your domain over here, domainer, you'll see the list of domains that is connected. Like me, I connected one of them, janicesg.com. Okay, and then so what's next? I need to go inside. Okay, I need to go inside here, And then there's this email section. Email section. Go to the email section and go to email routing. Go to email routing. Okay. So basically in the past, I actually go and set the routing already, email routing. So basically it's here. Routing rules. Routing rules. You can set routing rules like this. You can specify a certain email address. Create your email address like this. And then it will send it to my Gmail address. My Gmail address. And all that. Okay. So yeah, I can turn it on like this. If I turn this on, that means any email address, any email address that is like abc@janiceonsg.com, when I turn it on for catch all, means any abc.com or hello or janice@janiceonsg.com. When I turn this on, means any email that has a domain name of this janiceonsg.com will catch all the email address. And then okay, I need to turn this first. I need to turn this on. This. Okay, you need to enable the email routing. Enable the email routing. Okay, and then you just yeah, enable it. Okay. Yeah. So that is it. Enable. Okay, enable the email routing. Okay. So that basically I need to go and fix the record. Okay, let me delete my record. Okay, now can. That's just on that one is an old one. Okay. Old one because I've not used it for quite a while, and then I did some settings. So now it is auto creating the email routing. Okay. Email routing, and then you just click add record and enable it. Okay. Add record and enable it, and then it will automatically set my email. Okay, set my email to my Gmail. To my Gmail. I can enable this. If I enable this, that means, as I mentioned, what did I say just now? Catch all means any email addresses that has this domain name at janiceonsg.com. Okay, hr@janiceonsg.com. It will automatically send it to this janiceonsg@gmail.com. Catch all. Okay, that's how it means. If I don't want to catch all, I only specify certain email address is basically here. Here. Okay, here. Maybe I just use hello as example. hello@janiceonsg.com. I turn it on, and then it will send it to this. So that basically, example, this you can write your own. You can also create your own email address. Maybe I just put info. Okay, info@janiceonsg.com, and then send to an email. Destination janiceonsg.com. So that's it. info@janiceonsg.com. Okay, now I have a custom email, so you can create as many as you want, or you can use the catch all any email domain, email address. It will auto send it to this Gmail gmail.com. Okay, so now let me just turn this off. Okay, let's do a test. info@janicehongsg.com. Okay, let's do a test email. Okay, let's do a test email. Info at janicehongsg.com. I okay, let's send. Then let's go to Gmail. Okay, there you go. It's under here. Okay. This is not spam because it's a new email address. You will put under spam. Okay. So there you go. Over here. Here. Okay. The email is working. I'm able to receive my email address. Okay. So I send from my Outlook and then it's sent to info@jetsonsg.com. I receive it in my Gmail. It's working. So that's how to actually do the email over here. Okay, create your email address and then you just choose the destination. Okay, and yeah, basically that. So for this as well, catch all is basically you need to any email address you will send to an email address your destination, whichever email address you want to put your Gmail, and then you save. Then it will do that. Or any email address you want to trash it, catch all email address, you can decide send to a worker. Any email address that you receive, you can send it to another colleague to handle another stuff. Okay. Like some inquiry email, you can let your admin people or your sales people to receive. You can put here the worker name, and then send to whoever. Okay. Yeah. So basically that normally I will just straight away use this lah. I don't want to catch all. Okay, I don't want to catch all. Disable because you will get a lot of spam email. And yeah, so that's how to actually get your personal email address. Okay, you can call yourself yeah, whatever name at whatever company .com and then send it to your Gmail address. Okay, yeah, basically that's it for unlimited email address with Cloudflare. But this is free, completely for free routing to your Gmail. And yeah, then you need a domain name. Remember I said you need a domain email in order to get your free email address. Okay, and you can access your Gmail anywhere. Gmail is free. So that's how to get a free company email address without paying for email company business email. That's it. And then you can reply the email when you get your company business email address. And yeah, I hope this helps. If you like the video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Do share with others as well. Goodbye.